Welcome back, everybody. We are in Albuquerque. Not Albuquerque. What the heck? We are in El Paso, Texas, at the terminal. As you see, Swift trailer. I'm parked for the night. It is 3-something, 3:30. Going on 4. Been up since about 7 this morning. But we're on our way to Grapevine, Texas, and we are going to the same location, same loads. I do got another load, but it doesn't pick up until Sunday. Today's Friday. So deliver Friday, sit Sunday or Saturday, pick up Sunday, I think. I gotta relook at that. But I ended up driving because student was tired. So we were only 58 miles away when he called it quits. But it's one thing about truck driving. If you wake up with the Mentor and you're gonna be doing all the driving, be prepared to drive. I technically don't let students drive no later than like 2 if 3 pushing it anymore. Because before I would start them off straight, run them all night, first day. But it's whatever. Most likely you'll be getting out the truck when I come back to Phoenix. So, go from there. I am still in the 22 Kenworth. So, no word on anything about my truck. So, it is nice out here. It is 88, and I am not going to idle that truck tonight. So, other than that, with that being said, just get off of this and relax, probably grade his paper, do something, and I think we'll be able to roll out about anywhere from 11 to 12 o'clock. So yeah, go from there. Alright, everybody, we're here in Odessa, Texas, 276 miles from El Paso. And he's taking his 30-minute break. So, as you can see, truck stop. Only positive is he's able to back up and park, taking his break instead of sitting at the fuel aisle. But we should be there about 1 o'clock or so. Midnight, 1 o'clock. But that being said, got up, didn't leave until a little bit after 12, and yeah, I made an appointment for this truck to get its service done on Sunday at 8 o'clock in the morning, which is the same day my load picks up. It's preloaded, so it's not that big of a deal. So I will be sitting for 34. Is it 34? So I get there at midnight if I drive, whatever. Yeah, something like that. But anyways, like I said earlier, or last night, be dropping him off. He's scheduled to be upgraded on Wednesday, but depending on what time we leave on Sunday, I want to be back the latest Monday night, Tuesday morning. I might just run it all the way back. That way I don't have to sit on this load to deliver it on the 2nd. So that's the idea, but we'll just see. Go from there. I'm debating on if I should go in there and get something from McDonald's. I don't really eat fast food that much when I'm out here on the road. I don't know. Once in a blue moon, though, it's not a terrible idea, but I know I'm not going to cook anything tonight for a simple fact of the time we're going to get there. So, we'll find out. Alright, everybody, so we're here. We're 208 miles away at a rest area. Had to stop again. So, yeah. I don't know what's up, but like I said, you'll be getting off the truck when I get back to Phoenix. It is 9 o'clock, so I don't know. Let's see how this goes. We made it, everybody. We are here at the Lancaster Terminal. I haven't really been doing a lot of recording. It's just me trying to make sure that the student is doing everything right and paying attention a little bit more. But yeah, it is 3:44. I've been off duty for like 31 minutes. And it's saying it's 93, but I don't know how accurate that stupid temperature thing is. On the phone, it's saying it's like 78 outside. It's not 78, but it's not 93. And granted, that temperature on the dash is off anyways because of the engine's running, the truck's running. But anyways, we're gonna call it a night. Excuse me. And go from there. Even though it's only 1:42, 1:45 in Arizona, California, but yeah. With that being said, we'll see what happens in the morning. I wanted to get a different trailer because this trailer that I picked up, it has some damage to it. It runs. Everything on the inside and everywhere else is fine. But I think the location that I picked it up from, because they have a drop lot, before they took it to the drop lot, I think a driver hit it with their trailer when they make a U-turn. Their ass end swung. I think they hit it because the cover, the top cover for the coils is missing, and right by the cluster is damaged. So I can't say it was from the location that we're at, but we have another trailer over there where the pigtail hooks up to where it looks like someone just creamed that damn thing. So you could hook up your pigtail, but it's kind of like just hanging at the same time. So I don't know. There's trailers here. I'm just gonna get ready to relax, go in bed, get up in the next couple of hours because we're not doing anything. So I will see you guys later today. Alright, everybody, we are out of the shop. Put it in the shop at 6:30 this morning. It is 11:45. I had an 8 o'clock appointment, and for some reason I looked at my phone and I thought it said 7:30. So I jumped up, got situated, brought it in, talked to the guy, went in the shop, and it is 11:45 now. So just told my student truck's ready where I'm at. It's out of the shop, and now we get to go pick up our next load preloaded, so the trailer that we are hooked up to, it's already dispatched on us. That way no one can take it, even though I put it in the shop, put the truck in the shop. So let's go ahead and go from there. I didn't really go to bed until like 2-3 o'clock this morning. Student went to sleep before me, of course, but I doubt he's gonna drive his full clock, because I woke his ass up at 7:30, 7:45 before the truck fully got into the shop. But let's just see how it goes. I did have the air restriction light freaking going all the way up into the red on our way out here, and when I just sat and idled, it would freaking range up there. So looks like they replaced the filter. There are some recalls on this truck for this screen, because they go out and they want to make sure the specs and everything is right, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. But deal with that when the truck goes back in the shop or whatever, because all they're doing is just setting the parameters for it. But yeah, other than that, hook up to the trailer when he gets here and we go from there. I gotta figure out where I want to get fuel. As you can see, I'm just under a quarter. I had more than that when we got here, but Saturday, so yeah. So let me figure out where I'm gonna get fuel and we'll go from there. Alright, so we're here at a Flying J. I think it was like exit 472 down the street from the terminal. Fuel here is $3.99 a gallon. Any further west from here, it goes up to like 401 and so on and so forth. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up here. I filled up the reefer before we went to the yard, so it has fuel, and I'm not gonna get DEF until I need it. See how long it lasts. But with that being said, pretty much it. Go pick up this load and go from there. filled up the trailer with fuel when we came in. It's back there. I'm fully disconnected. Well, not fully, but I just gotta pull the fifth wheel because this isn't working on it, which I don't care. But